Good morning to all of you. Myself Zafar Ahmed. Now we start video lecture number 3rd, part 2nd. In this video lecture, we discuss about positive economics and normative economics. Now, economics is a science and arts both. Now we can say economics is a science and arts both. So we discuss about positive economics and normative economics. First of all, we discuss about positive economics. Positive economics deals with the economic issues related to the past, present, or future. Statements of positive economics relate to what was, what is, and what should be. It deals with such economic situations which can be studied by using facts and figure. So the main point, that is positive economics, means deals with economic issues related to past, present, or future. Means positive economics statement deals with present, past, future. And the term used, what was, what is, and what should be. It deals with such economic situations which can be studied by using facts and figure. Now, example of positive economics. 22% of population in India is absolutely poor. This statement can be true or false. So this statement can be verified and check the result. So positive economics deals with present, past, future, and term was used what was, what should be, and what is. Example, 22% of population in India is absolutely poor. This statement can be verification that data is true or false. Now we discuss about normative economics. Normative economics deals with opinions of the economist related to economic issue or economic problems. Statements of normative economics relate to what ought to be. Normative economics involves value judgment. So the main point of normative economics, that normative economics deals with opinion and economic issues or economic problem. Statements of normative economics relate to, means turn to, what ought to be. And last, normative economics involves value judgment. So normative economics based on opinions. Example, somebody says that old age pension should be stopped. Somebody says that old age pension should be stopped. It is just on opinion. Thank you.